Hi, today I'd like to highlight the power of flexible charts in Microsoft Excel. There seems to be a lot of Excel users who create multiple charts for presentations when a single flexible chart can often be more powerful. So my current chart shows the weekly sales for a single garage. In this case it's garage 1. The chart is fairly simple but with two axes. The first axis on the left is for the weekly sales, and I've got a blue line here which represents the weekly sales, and my right hand axis is for the cumulative year to date sales. So I've got my red line that is for my year to date cumulative sales, and my blue line is representing the previous year's sales. I've also got a table below that shows the actual figures. So my first option is to obviously see different views, different garages in this case. So I can switch between garage 1 and garage 2 by selecting the drop down, an option on the drop down menu. As you can see, my chart changes to show the current data for garage 2, and then I can select garage 3, and again it changes, and garage 4. And as you can see from garage 4, the prior year line means that the garage didn't actually start until midway through the year. So, and I can also show a consolidated view, so I can see how all my garages are doing. As well as the different garage views, I can show different years, so I can go back and look at prior years, and I can do this on a consolidated view, or I can again go down and view a particular garage's performance in prior years. But like so many graphs, you can add extra functionality. It depends how complicated you want the graph to be. So I can add maybe budget information to my graph, and if I can show my consolidated view, you might be in a meeting where the budget or forecast information needs to be displayed. So I can click on my budget box down here, and my budget information is displayed. So it continues my weekly forecast information in green. So I've got my actual weekly sales here, and then it turns into green for my weekly sales that are currently forecasted. And also again it continues my cumulative year to date line in a purple line, which shows how the performance is expected for the rest of the year. And I can also add a little bit more functionality by putting the box up here which shows a percentage increase for the budget. So there might be that we want to keep with the existing budget, in that case it'll just be 0, or we might want to put 5 or 10% on the budget to show a different view. And again, this is updating the information all the time. And here we just got the legend showing what the different lines represent. And again, I can take that away, or I can put it back in play. And again, I can switch views. So I hope this gives you an idea of the kind of charts that you can have in your management meetings. If you would like to find out more about my Excel consultancy, please visit www.ashantasolutions.co.uk, where you'll see my contact information. Thank you very much. Goodbye.